Human body fact. The human body is made up of a head, neck, torso, 2 arms, and 2 legs. The average height of an adult human is about 5 to 6 feet tall. The human body is made to stand upright, fold on 2 feet, or say the arms to carry and lift, and has of several thumbs. The adult body is made up of 100 skeleton skulls, 206 bones, 600 muscles, and 22 internal organs. There are many systems in the human body. Circulatory system, respiratory system, immune system, skeletal system, excretory system, urinary system, muscular system, endocrine system, digestive system, nervous system, reproductive system. There are many different types of cells in the human body. None of the skull function will on the one. There are part of the larger organism that is called tissue. Cells group together in the body to form tissue, a collection of similar cells that group together to form a specially function. There are 4 primary tissue types in the human body: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nerve tissue.
Next, organ. Organ are the next level of organism in the body. An organ is a structure that contains at least 2 different types of tissues functioning together for a common purpose. There are many different organs in the body: the liver, kidneys, heart, even your skin is an organ. In fact, the skin is the largest organ in the human body and provides us with an excellent example for explanation purpose. The skin is composed of 3 layers: the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous layer. The epidermis is the outermost layer of skin. It consists of epithelial tissues in which the cells are tightly packed together, providing a barrier between the inside of the body and the outside world. Below the epidermis lies a layer of connective tissue called the dermis. In addition to providing support for the skin, the dermis has many other purposes. The dermis contains blood vessels that nourish skin cells. It contains nerve tissue that provides healing in the skin, and it contains muscle tissue and responsible for giving you. The subcutaneous layer in beneath the dermis and consists mainly of a type of connective tissue called adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is more commonly known as fat, and it helps cushion the skin or provide protection from cold temperature. Organ systems are composed of 2 or more different organs that work together to provide a common function. There are 10 major organ systems in the human. There are the skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, nervous system, respiration system, digestive system, excretory system, endocrine system, reproductive system, lymphatic system.
Female reproductive system. 1. The mammary glands are accessory organs of the female reproductive system that are specialized to secrete milk following pregnancy. 2. Cervix. The lower on 1/3 of the uterus is the tubulus, which extends downward into the upper part of the vagina. 3. Fallopian tube extend from the uterus to the ovary. This tube carries egg and sperm, and is where fertilization of the egg or take place. 4. Labia minor. Labia minor are flattened language into fold located with the shelf between the labia major. 5. Ovary ligament. Each ovary is attached to several ligaments that help to hold in position. The large of these formed by a fold. 6. Ovaries are a pair of oval or almond-shaped glands which lie on either side of the uterus and just below the opening to the fallopian tube. 7. Uterus. The uterus is hollow, muscular organ which a fertilized egg become embedded and in which the egg is nourished and allowed to develop until birth. 8. Vagina. The vagina is muscular passage and from a part of the female sex organ and which connect the neck of the uterus with the external genitals. 9. Vulva is made up of several male organs which are external. These include a small rounded pad of fat which protect the pubic bone. Breasts. The breasts are two male producing glands which are located on the front of the chest. Next, male reproductive system. 1. Cowper gland are two small structures about the size of peas which are located below the prostate gland. 2. Ductus deferens is a muscular tube that begins at the lower and the epididymis and pass upward along the side of the testis to become part of the spermatic cord. 3. Penis. The penis is the external sex organ of the male through which both urine and semen pass. And the last one, testis. The scrotum is a sac that hangs under the penis and holds the testis.